Hello all, welcome to Akanksha Charitable Trust YouTube channel. Today's topic is matrices. Sixth question. We have a matrix where again the missing entry is in the third row and second column. So let us see how we can decode this. So let us see the first row entry. We can see 5 square plus 11, that is 25 plus 11 will give us the answer of 36, and that is our third row entry. So again, let us go and confirm the same relationship with the second row entry as well. That is 11 square plus 4. Does it sum to 125? Yes. 121 plus 4 sums up to 125. So we need to apply the same relationship for the third row entry as well. That is, we need to do 15 square plus x, or the missing number, should sum to 256. So going by the same logic, 15 square is 225. 225 plus the missing number should equal to 256, and we can find the missing number by subtracting 225 from 256, and we arrive at our answer, that is 31, which is option C. Go ahead and tick option C as the right answer. So going ahead with the seventh question. Again, we have a missing number at the same position, that is the third row entry. Let us see how we can decode the same. We have the first row entries as 11, 12 and 25. But here, instead of considering 11, 12 as a whole number, let us try to consider the individual digits. That is, if we consider 11 as 1 and 1, made up of two digits 1, and also 12 as 1 and 2, if we split that up, 1 plus 1, that is 2, plus 1 plus 2, that is 3. So 3 plus 2 gives us the sum of 5, and when you square the number 5, you get the answer as 25, which is the third row entry in this case. So let us confirm this relationship by checking the second row entry as well. So we have 2 and 1, that is 2 plus 1, that will sum up to 3, and 3 plus 0, that will again sum up to 3, and we get 6 square. 6 square is 36, and yes, that is the relationship. So let us use the same strategy to solve the third row also. So we have 32, which can be split as 3 plus 2. Also, looking at the what should we arrive at as a solution, we see it as 64. 64 is the square of 8. So 3 plus 2 plus the missing number should sum to 8. So 5 plus missing number should sum to 8. Here please note that the missing number is the sum of two digits. So if you do 8 minus 5, you will end up at 3. But that is not your answer, because 3 should be the sum of again another two digits. So now we have 3 as the answer. So to arrive at which are the two digits that make up to 3, you can go through all the options provided for you. So we have 2 and 1. When you sum 2 plus 1, you get the answer as 3. 2 plus 2, that is option D. Option B will give you the answer as 4, which is incorrect. 2 plus 3, that from option C, will give you 5, which is also incorrect. 2 plus 4 from option D will give you answer as 6, which is again incorrect. So go ahead and tick this first option as right, that is 2 plus 1, 21, and which is the right answer for this problem. Coming to the 8th question. So we have a missing row entry in the third row. Let us deduce a relationship in this matrix. We have first row entry, that is 4, 2 and 14. 4 square is 16, and when you subtract the second row entry, that is 2 from 16, you arrive at the answer 14. So that is the established relationship. You can further go and prove it from the second row entry, that is 5 square minus 4 should give you the answer 21, and it does give you the answer of 21. 25 minus 4 is 21. Now again we need to find this missing number in the third row entry, that is 6 square minus some number should give you the answer as 30. So what is that missing number? We know 6 square is 36. 36 minus the missing number is 30. So by doing simple subtraction, we arrived that the missing number is 6 here. So we do have 6 in the option, that is option C. So option C, that is 6, is our right option. The next one, we have the missing number in the second row entry. So let us check the relationship in the first row or the third row or through the columns. First, let us go through the first row relationship. We have 36, 10 and 64. By looking at it, we can see that 36, 64 is, when you add those two numbers, you arrive at the sum of 100. But we have the 10 as our second row entry. But square root of 100 is 10. So here, since the missing number is in the second row, let us validate this relationship in the third row. So here in third row, we have 44 and the third row entry as 100. So when you sum it up, it would be 144 and the square root of 144 is 12. So applying the same logic for the second row entry, we have 50 plus the missing number and the square root of the sum would be is 11. So we know that 11 square is 121. So the sum of 50 plus the missing number should be 121. So what is the missing number here? 121 minus 50 will give you the answer as 71. So here, applying the same rules, we can confirm that 71 is indeed the missing number, and we have 71 in our option, that is option C. The next question, let us go through the next question, wherein we have the missing number in the first column itself. So since the missing number is in the first column, let us try to find a relationship from the last column or the column where all the entries are present. So we have in the third column, we have 13, 7 and 36. When we subtract 7 from 13, we get 6 as the answer, and when you square 6, the answer is 36. So 36 is the third row entry in this case. So let us confirm this relationship by checking it, cross-verifying it with the second column entries as well. So 9 minus 4 gives you 5 and square of 5 is 25. So 25 is the third row entry. Second row entry. So let us apply the same relationship for our first column, that is 15 minus 8, that is 7. Square of 7 will be 49 and we have 49 in our option, that is option D. So the correct answer in this case is option D, 49. Hope you understood this topic. If you have any questions, drop a comment in the comment box. To practice more questions on the same topic, you can find the quiz link in episode 7. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.